Hi everyone, thanks for joining me. Just doing some minor adjustments. Working on the staircase again today. We're just kind of getting levels, screwing it all together. I've fixed and attached the nil post down the far end. There's quite a lot of up and down the stairs, so thought I'd get that done before I started today. Okay, some fixings in here. Get these down, I don't like these hanging above my head, as good as they are. Go on. Right, on my own strength. That's better. Now what I've noticed on this end, when I put any weight on here, naturally it lifts up that end. We can't just rely on gravity, so I'm going to put another timber above that so that doesn't lift up in any way. I think the simplest way is just to cut and noggin in there, get it fixed. That shouldn't go anywhere. That's nice and secure now. On to the next stage. Yeah, let's give that a go. Let's get that off. And it doesn't need to go right to the underside of the floorboard. As long as it joins enough onto the joist to give it some strength, that'll be more than adequate. And don't forget, when it comes to putting in a ceiling, we'll be dropping it down below those beams just to level it all off. That's just what it looks like on the other side. These have got to be fixed and rebaited to take the treads. What I've been doing is attaching a little batten just so they're all level right the way along, and then when it comes to finishing the underside with either plasterboard or a thinner material, we've got a nice overhang here that fits flush. Now, it's surprising how something so simple can be quite tricky to film. We've got the lighting, which is an issue. We've got the light from the doors, and obviously the access up and down. So yeah, it is a time-consuming thing for a relatively easy job, really. But it's a necessary one. Yeah, I think that would look really good. It'll tie in with the wall. So we can have maybe plasterboard underneath. A nice strong material to support the landing as well. Two birds with one stone kind of thing. Yeah. And when it comes to coming across here, I might have to put in an extra joist in between those two there, and then run the cladding right into the wall. So just an offcut like that, we'll get that inserted in, and then once we put a planking on, it'll have something to fix into. And just when you cast your eye across there, you can see how far out the original flooring is. It's this line here. So yes, it has been challenging. Well, that is it for today. See you tomorrow.